Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then my name is Vidhi, and in today's video I'm gonna be shooting the day 4 look for the Navratri series, and the theme for today is brown, as you can see. And this is a very subtle and more of a glorious kind of look. I really love that it's so easy to pull off, and it just took like 2 or 3 shadows for me to make it, and it's really easy. So if you want to know how I get this look, what products I use, then please continue watching. And also don't forget to check out the description bar, because I have linked down all the products that I've used in this video, and none of the product is left. So every single product is in my description box below, and let's get started. So first things first, as you can see, my face is bare. I have nothing on my face, and I'm gonna start off with the priming process. And I'm taking the Wet n Wild primer serum, and I'm just gonna spread it all over my face. You need a really tiny bit of amount. I am a dry skin type, so I need some kind of hydration for my skin, and that's why I'm using it. It's a really good one. It really helps to hydrate your skin and holds the makeup for a really long time. So if you are like an office going or a college going, or if you have some functions going on, you can wear this primer on that. I'm straight moving to foundation. I'm taking the Maybelline Superstay foundation over here. I'm in the shade 128 warm nude, and I'm just gonna dot it all over my face. And I'm just gonna start blending it through with my damp beauty sponge. So guys, I am really seeing that you guys are liking my Navratri series, and also a great news that I want to share with you guys, that I recently hit 100 subscribers, and I'm really happy with that. I know that it's not a very big number, but seriously, having a positive community who is continuously supporting you is really rare to get. So I'm really thankful to all of you who have joined my channel, and yes, I'm really thankful to all of you. And now for concealer, I'm taking the Kryolan Supra palette, and shade will be linked down in the description box. And I'm just gonna highlight and conceal the usual areas of my eyes, on the inner corners, on the outer corners. I'm also gonna take it to my forehead, to the bridge of my nose, around my mouth, on the chin, and also on the hollows of my cheeks as well. And now I'm taking another concealer from LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm just gonna top this concealer on the previous one, and gonna start blending. I have taken 2 concealer because I want a better coverage and really good effect and depth to my face. That's why I'm using 2 concealers. It's not necessary that you have to go for like 2 concealers or something. You can go with whatever you have. So that's the important thing, that if you want to start makeup, if you are watching a tutorial, then it's not really necessary that to only buy the things and then you start doing the tutorial. You can start with whatever you guys have. So that's what actually you take an inspiration from the tutorial. But if you have these things, you can copy the tutorial as you want. Now I'm gonna set my face with this Fit Me Loose powder from Maybelline, and I'm in the shade Light. And I'm gonna just take my damp beauty blender, yes, and just gonna dunk it, and just gonna pat it onto the under eyes, because I need to set my face so that my face doesn't look creased and cakey. And yes, I'm setting the all over my face, and also taking it on the lids of my eyes, because I have to start my eye makeup there only. Now for brows, I'm taking the Etude House Drawing My Brows, and I'm just gonna brush through my brows it and start doing it. So I'm gonna keep my brows really natural. I'm not gonna go for like a glammy or thick brows because I know that this is the Navratri season and not everybody like doing thick and so brows. So I want to keep it really simple and casual, yet beautiful. So that's why I started with it. And now because I've used a retractable pencil, I'm taking the Kiko Milano mascara. Just wash it. I'm gonna brush through my brows from it because I want this product to set up. There is no solid product. It's just powder based or some sticky base. So I just need to set it up. Now I'm taking the I'm taking the Maybelline Rock Nudes palette and taking this brown shade and start working on all over my lid. I'm just taking a big blending brush and just moving my brush roughly everywhere on the eyelid and doing same with the other eye as well. And until I'm happy with the color intensity that I want, I'll keep adding the color again and again. And now I'm taking this black color. I'm taking really less amount and just gonna focus on my crease and mix that brown and black color. Sorry. Okay, we all know that the combination of black and brown comes with in the most casual looks that anybody can form. So that's why I'm taking these colors. Next up, I'm gonna taking the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm taking this brown shimmer shade over here and just gonna pat it onto my lid with the help of my fingers. And you can see that it's a really easy look to pull through. Anybody can wear it on the any kind of simple occasions. You can just wear it, and black brown goes with every single outfit of yours. You can wear it every time. So it's just very basic and kind of signature kind of look. So yes. Now I'm gonna just dust off the powder underneath my eyes so that it is done baking, and I'm just gonna take whatever is left on my brush to all over my face. And now I'm gonna start contouring. I'm taking the Morphe palette and taking this brown shade and just gonna start contouring my face. I'm in the previous tutorial I have suggested you guys that if you have any brown eyeshadow palette or brown dark lipstick, you can start contouring it. So I'm showing you in this tutorial that you can do it, and it just comes across to be very beautiful. And it also saves your money as well. So it's not necessary to have a 10,000 product for your makeup kit. You can start with whatever you guys have, and it's really important to understand this fact. And now for my blush, I'm taking this shade right here. This is more of a burnt orange kind of shade. It's more of like brownish effect that it has. So I'm taking very little of it because it's a pigmented palette, and just gonna go all over my cheeks. And you guys can see that you can even use your blush from your eyeshadow palettes. It's so multi-purpose. Now for highlighter, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Face Squad palette. I'm taking this peachy and rose gold shade, and I only use these two shades for my face for highlighting because I think that it goes really pretty well with my kind of skin tone. So that's why. And even for highlighter, you can use any kind of silver shade or whatever shade that you have in your eyeshadow palette. Now I'm gonna apply some kajal underneath my eyes because I'm not using liner in this one. And I'm just darkening my kajal a little bit. And lastly, I'm just gonna take some mascara, the Kiko mascara, and start brushing my brows. This is a really good mascara. It's really light on the eyes. You don't even feel that you are wearing a mascara. So that's a really good thing of this one. And next I'm taking the from Faces Canada Magnetic Eyes Mascara. I just swear by this mascara. It's so good. Like, I used to never love mascaras until I use this. Now I'm a fan, and I'm a fan of this one only. So I'm just gonna finish this look up and come back. And guys, this is the final look that I've created. And guys, thank you for watching this tutorial till the end. If you like this tutorial, then don't forget to like my video, and also do let me know your thoughts about this look and what you guys want to see on me. And till then, bye bye, take care, happy Navratri.